Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. If you've never been here before, a warm welcome to you. I received a question recently which is asking how do you establish the size of your rod pocket? One of the things that you want to be able to do is to make your rod pocket so that when you put your curtain rod through, it slides comfortably. You don't want the pocket to be too big because then it will be a bit loose and your gathers won't be as nice and they won't stay right if it's too loose. However, you don't need it to be too tight either because then you'll have to be forcing the curtain back and forth on the rod. So take the size of your rod and multiply that by 2. So if the size of your rod is 2 inches, then your rod pocket should be 4 inches so that your curtains can slide comfortably across the rod. Now, you know I like my diagrams, so I have a little diagram here for you because I'm pretty visual and I'm sure there are other people who are pretty visual too. Now the light from over there is shining on. Okay, yeah, so I got it in a good space. So this is it right here. I have making a curtain for, or I'm pretending I'm making a curtain for a rod that's going to be 2 inches in diameter. Okay, and so I need 4 inches for my pocket, but because I will be doing a double hem, I need to have 4 inches so I can fold and then fold again. I will link some videos for you guys to go along with this little lesson that you can look on to see like how to do the best way to do your double hem and other stuff. Okay, but in this instance for the double hem you will need 8 inches. So your rod pocket, when you're done doing it, should be 4 inches deep and your curtain will slide comfortably across or on your rod. And also your gathers will be snug and neat when you push the curtains back. I hope that helps. Thank you again so much for your support on the channel. I hope you're enjoying your summer, and if it's your first time here, I hope that you will subscribe before you leave and remember to hit the bell notification icon so you can be notified of new videos. Remember now, life is a journey, not a destination, so don't wait. Enjoy each moment of the journey. I'll see you for the next video.